This guide will help you download Invoices from Fortinet Cloud in a few simple steps. Follow the instructions below to access your Invoices easily. Step 1. Log into your Fortinet account. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, look for the Billing or Account Management section in the dashboard. This is where you will find all financial-related information, including invoices. Step 3. Select Invoice History. In the Billing section, find the option labeled Invoice History or Invoices. Click on it to view a list of all your past invoices. Step 4. Choose the invoice to download. Browse through the list of invoices and select the one you wish to download. You may have options to filter by date or amount to make it easier to find the specific invoice. Step 5. Download the invoice. After selecting the invoice, look for a download button or link. Click on it to save the invoice to your device in your preferred format, usually PDF. Now you can easily access your invoices whenever you need them. If you have any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Fortinet support for assistance.